So guys, we're having dumpling on our way. We're going to, I don't remember, but yeah. So we're trying dumpling, Asian style.
Yeah.
Yeah. So babe already know to use a chopstick.
It's so nice. Alright, baby, go.
Where's the chopstick? Oh, this is it?
Yeah.
Guys, I've done this in primary school and I don't know how to do this again. But look like I eat it right now.
Sauce.
Oh, sauce. And you wait, work it, work. Cheers, good. Sometimes you have to do it, just stick, two stick inside.
That's nice. Wow, not bad, not bad. $5 for 16 pieces of these things, guys.
Simple.
Crazy. He just stuck it. That's how he does it, guys.
Simple.
Simple.
And it works.
So guys, we're here and it's so busy, like just trying to walk around to the Vivid Light thing. So yeah, hopefully you guys get a good view.
Yeah. So is this a thing that happens every year or something? The Vivid Light?
Yeah, it was a recent thing actually, but yes,
really?
it happens every year. I think during COVID, I don't think it did happen, but yeah.
Wow guys, we're out here and the lights have started. Look at the upper house. Beautiful. I would say there's like thousands of people out here, would you say?
Yeah,
thousands, yeah. Like,
so we're gonna try and keep our distance. Wow.
wow, it's beautiful. So these are the attractions that this place has that people are always coming back. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh yeah. So they're that's crazy. They're coming from those buildings and wow. Oh yeah. Yeah guys, right now we've been talking about how much we miss Island. You know, and it's just unfortunate that he's not feeling well. You know, but we're gonna take him out tomorrow night. Yeah, if he's feeling better.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's sad because everywhere we go he's always there with us, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, today it wasn't one of those days. Yeah. But we're just gonna link up with Jamaican friend and I think his wife gonna be here as well, so yeah, and then after that we go home, you know? Yeah man, so stick around guys. It's beautiful out here. So.
I might go find a bar.
360 view, surrounded by people. Massive.
Stanley from Canada.
Oh yeah.
Him watch your thing too, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, go on guys. So right now we're out here and remember guys, I told you earlier that we're gonna link up with the Jamaican. And finally guys, and just a reminder, if most of you guys watched my first video of arriving in Australia when I did quarantine and coming out of quarantine, well during quarantine, this Jamaican linked me up, right, and drop off some food and all of that, you see me, some snacks and all that. And yeah guys, so you guys were curious and tonight he's here with us guys. So who we have here? Rayan. So I try to focus the camera guys. Yeah, man. So this is Ryan, guys. Let them know which part of Jamaica you're forward from and thing, no?
Yeah, man. Ryan, straight out of Spanish Town, you see?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Link up in Sydney, Australia.
Yeah, and guys, this is the first me I link up with a Jamaican since me out here, guys. Trust me, it's a vibe, you know. Just we just stay aside talk for like over half an hour right now, and it's just a vibe. Me I tell you guys. So yeah, and his missus is here. I don't know if she wanna be on camera, but yeah, man. So the yard them out here, link up.
Yeah, man. Link up. One love.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
So it's just gotten really cold.
Yeah, cold.
Like
now.
turn up now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go home now.
Yeah.
We just met up with Babe and his friend
Yeah.
and his wife and
So
child.
his wife is Argentinian.
Yeah, his wife's Argentinian, but I don't think she really wanted to go on camera.
Yeah,
I don't know.
she didn't.
I didn't ask her.
Well,
Sorry.
Yeah, we're not sure.
We're not sure.
Yeah, but you guys see Ryan on camera.
Yeah.
You see it, and yeah, it's been a long time that we're supposed to meet, and finally it happened. So
Yeah.
yeah, man, and
Fish that. Oh my gosh.
I would
Oh my God.
guys, no mind we are, man. You see me? But
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was just like, what the heck?
So it's like probably like a whole hour. So we've been talking like me and Ryan was talking for like and Babe and her was talking this. You know, so yeah, it was just conversation. I don't know what they were talking about in Spanish, but we were just chatting in Patois, and that was it. So
And that was that. So
was
we're just
fun.
talking about what song music's that?
Is it?
No, it sounds like a bit soccer, like
Oh,
soccer,
yeah.
but it's not.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, we're just talking about like back in Argentina, back home,
Yeah.
and we're also talking about how they want to go to they just want to travel and things. So,
Yeah.
but right now it's so busy, guys. So we're gonna love yous and leave yous all.
Yeah. And before you go, I feel like that was the best thing that ever happened. Think about it. You get to meet an Argentinian and I get to meet a Jamaican. Like, it doesn't get any better than that.
True.
You know, so-
Very true, guys.
Yeah.
Very true.
So big up yourself, guys.
Big up yourself.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely. Welcome back, Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
The island boy, Africa.
Africa to the
Yeah.
world.
So
Guys, we
so yeah, sorry. So it's our second day here.
yeah.
Second day, and yeah, mom just dropped us off at a random place. Where are we at? You know,
It's so bright.
Yeah, it's bright.
We Guildford.
Guildford.
No, Marylands. We're in
Okay.
Marylands.
Yeah.
So Marylands is an African store, and we're just gonna go and check it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna go see if they have like Jamaican products and so forth.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can buy some stuff to bring home. you know.
Yeah, hopefully. So let's
That's
see.
the plan. Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
All right, guys.
We on a roll now.
Let's go now. Wow, guys. Nice African wear.
Oh wow, they got heaps of stuff.
I love the colors.
Yeah.
Mad. What's it called?
African.
Groceries fashion. Okay.
Dance and
Oh, yeah. And look at all these are like the ear products for like.
Yeah, you should ask them. Anyone that does their hair.
Yeah. So these are all the styles they do. These are some styles you never really see Jamaicans do, like these styles, and yeah.
True.
Jamaican mainly do like the braids and those ones, and yeah.
Right.
Interesting.
Let's have a look.
Let's go see what's inside, if we're allowed to film anyway. Huh?
All the hair stuff.
Oh yeah, the weave ears and the wigs and all of that.
And all of that.
Yeah,
Look at the design.
yeah. Very African, you know? Very African. Oh, planting.
You want to take some?
Yeah, we could.
Yeah, grab some. I hope they've got FOS. Yeah,
Yeah,
take some.
yeah. So planting, guys.
Grab some, baby.
Yeah, we can. Oh, so these are like the tilapia fish, like what I would see they have in Ghana and those. Looks like it. Oh, it's like dried.
Yeah. Oh, look there, they've got curry powder and then they've got seasoning for fish essence.
Oh,
Do you want to
nice.
take some
Yeah.
to try?
Let's try it.
Want to take some?
Yeah, let's try it out. Hello.
Hi.
Good.
We want to take 2 of these.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you mind if I do a video in your shop?
No.
You mind?
No.
Okay.
It's not my shop, it's my sister. If she's
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Sometimes she doesn't allow that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Are
Because
you using it for something?
Just YouTube. We're just promoting, doing vlogs.
Oh, okay, then please.
this year for our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
But are you going to put the name and everything?
Yeah, the name is already there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that good? Just
Yeah.
a promotion for you as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, because it's
The only problem is it's not my shop.
okay.
It's my sister.
I got you.
I only come and help her. And
Okay.
sometimes these Chinese people, they will come and take some picture of the stuff or video. And she doesn't allow that.
Oh.
But in your case, if it's promotion, why not?
Yeah, it's free promotion.
Where are you from?
I'm from West Africa, Ghana. And you?
Oh,
Ghana.
Jamaica.
Okay.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's my first time actually coming into an African shop, so I'm
my
just
mum actually,
curious.
she brought us here.
Yeah.
'Cause my mum, she came and she bought something for his hair
Yeah.
from Jamaica.
Oh.
Products from Jamaica. So.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I only come maybe Sunday, Monday to help my sister.
Okay.
I have a place we call Cape Coast Elmina Castle, where they put the slave and everything. It's like a tourist.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very closer to the sea where they used to travel there. So we got history there. People, like, you know, black Americans, most of them want to come home, you know.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
want to see their origin.
Yeah.
So sometimes.
I love it. I love it.
That's
Yeah.
One other question I want to ask you. Hair. To do his hair. Do you do hair?
No.
No. Okay.
But I can. My sister used to have someone who used to do, but not anymore. But at the other side, there is some salon African shop over there
Okay.
that they have
Have a
salon.
look there too.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
That's
nice.
nice.
All right.
All
Thank
right.
you. We look around anyway.
Okay.
Ready to take something?
We're gonna take some plantain.
Plantain.
Ah,
Plátano.
plátano, yeah.
Some of them are
Banana.
very skinny.
Yeah, similar. Babe, maybe you can make mum some
Yeah.
at home. You
Yeah.
have to fry them up.
Yeah, I can do
Big
that.
guacamole.
He cooked it for me last time, remember?
No plátano.
Plátano was banana anyway.
Yeah, banana, but no plátano.
They got a lot of condiments too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Getting these
Oh,
guys.
welcome.
Hang on, mum.
Okay, I was
Got the wear.
back to the car
Yeah.
because the children right
Wow.
there.
Okay, ma. Ahora vengo.
Can you take the drink for Gracie, please?
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I will. See you.
Alright, see you. Wow guys. They have all the
So
mackerel
we
too.
have all the mackerel
Yeah.
tins and beautiful tins.
Yeah.
here. Lovely.
It's nice.
Beautiful. Extra hot. I'm looking for something.
And there's the Ghana flag.
Oh wow. Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
You look at it. I'm looking for something.
Yeah.
I want to. You have the fufu box. I want to try to make it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, make it. Yeah.
All you have to do is follow the instructions.
There you go. These are like the hair products. Black castor oil. No focus.
Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah.
There you have the black castor oil, guys. Oh, mango and lime. Wow.
No, you go there, you know.
Yeah. Do you watch Wademaya? This Ghanaian YouTuber?
Me, I don't follow them.
Oh, okay.
There's another guy as well, a Kenyan one, Aaron Marwa.
Yeah.
He's good too. Yeah.
Do you li-
Sometimes I see some of their stuff on TikTok.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And do you sell the Maggie cubes? Yeah.
Nice bracelet, guys. Be a bit in the Maggie.
I always watch this African show on YouTube, guys,
Yeah.
and yeah, they cook
Yeah, the
with
Maggi,
and
the
things.
cubes.
And I bought I'm buying the flour too, like
Oh,
the
yeah,
sandwich
yeah.
to mix. So I can try.
Yeah, man.
So you might see it on my channel.
Yeah, and I just see the castor oil at Mamba the last time it's over there. Yeah.
Oh, they have the agusi stuff too.
Oh, so those are the things that they used to like
Yeah.
as the big spoon, like they pound it with and they used to spin it with. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, all wooden spoons. Wow. Cooking oil. Oh, red palm. So big up all the Africans. If there's any Africans watching us, big up. Yeah.
Sweet baby, look. Steakhouse sauce,
Yeah.
sweetened by dairy.
Mm.
Wow.
They have everything. All the ears, all the wigs and everything. Yeah, we got the cocoa butter here. So
Nice.
it's good. I love it. Have a different smell, but it smells
I
good.
still got some though from Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, they sell this in Jamaica as well.
You got that back home.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet.
It's chili.
Scotch. What the Scotch bonnet one? Yeah. Yeah. That's Scotch bonnet.
Oh yeah.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
We have to freeze it though. Make sure
Yeah,
we
we'd
don't
have,
forget
we'd
it.
have to. Got all the slippers. Look at them made from wood. Wow, guys.
So Ireland used to a similar cereal. We started with that.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Jamaica.
Very similar
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Okay, I think I'm good now. I think we got what we needed.
Yeah.
Mostly.
So these are like dried fish. These are like some kind of dried fish.
Yeah. Show
Yeah.
me what does it say on the packet?
Dry suri.
Ribbon fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Interesting. That's similar to like the saltfish or the red orange.
Yeah.
Kind of how them dried it.
Yeah.
Oh,
They
yeah.
got pot lids. Are they like Dutch pots?
Yeah, look like Dutch pot. They just the pot covers, but yeah, the type of metal, it's like Dutch pot.
Some more plantain?
Yeah, let's get some more plan.
You pick them because I don't know that.
Yeah, I'll get these ones. And this as well, guys. We actually have these in Jamaica.
Oh, the sherbet, yeah.
Yeah, we have these in Jamaica.
You have it, eh?
Yeah, so it's good to see. Yeah.
Oh, Mandela tea.
Yeah.
Everything is for
These
you.
soaps.
Perfect stuff.